Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clear cache on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. There are 3 different ways to clear cache on your iPhone, and I'll walk you through all of them. The first method is clearing the cache from your web browser. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to Apps. From there, look for Safari app and open it. Here, look for and tap on Clear History and Website Data. You can choose a specific time range, but if you want to clear everything, select All History, choose All Profiles, and make sure Close Tabs is turned on. This clears all cached website data stored by Safari. If you use Google Chrome instead, you can do the same thing directly from Chrome's settings. The second method is clearing cache from individual apps that take up a lot of storage. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you'll see a list of apps and how much space they're using. For example, if an app like TikTok is taking over a gigabyte of storage, a large portion of that is cached data. Tap on the app, choose Offload App, then reinstall it. Offloading removes the app's cached data while keeping your login and documents. Once reinstalled, the app size will be much smaller. You can repeat this process for other large apps, especially ones over 1 gigabyte. The third and final method helps reduce cached system data, which you can't clear directly from settings. The only way to reduce this is by force restarting your iPhone. To do this, press Volume Up, then Volume Down, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even when you see Slide to Power Off and when the screen goes black. Release the button only when the Apple logo appears. This force restart clears temporary system cache and helps your iPhone run smoother once it powers back on. And that's it. So that is how you can clear cache on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.